Engineers India Limited, a leading engineering consultancy and EPC company under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, has been conferred with the prestigious Sustained Excellence Award in the PSU category at the 18th edition of the BML Munjal Awards 2026, organized by Hero Group Enterprise in New Delhi. In a significant move aimed at strengthening India's energy technology ecosystem, state-run Oil India Limited has entered into a strategic partnership with the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research to drive collaborative research and innovation across key areas of the energy sector. State-owned insurance giant Life Insurance Corporation of India has recommended a final dividend of 10 rupees per equity share for the financial year 2025-26, subject to approval by shareholders at the company's 5th annual general meeting scheduled for July 27, 2026. ICICI Bank has allotted 335,705 equity shares with a face value of 2 rupees each under the ICICI Bank Employee Stock Option Scheme 2000, according to a regulatory filing submitted to the stock exchanges. The allotment was approved by 2 executive directors of the bank on Tuesday at 10:46 a.m. State-run engineering giant Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has recalled the successful execution of the 3x14 megawatt hydropower plant under the Afghan-India Friendship Dam project, highlighting it as a testament to India's engineering capabilities and its role as a trusted development partner on the global stage. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has reported a cumulative default of 9,419 crore rupees on principal and interest payments to 7 public sector banks, according to a regulatory filing submitted to stock exchanges. MTNL said the defaults relate to borrowings from Union Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India, UCO Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, and Indian Overseas Bank. State-owned Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has initiated plans to raise external commercial borrowings or foreign currency term loans equivalent to approximately 1,000 crore rupees and has invited proposals from international banks, financial institutions, and multilateral agencies. Defense Research and Development Organization on Monday successfully conducted the flight test of the Long-Range Land Attack Cruise Missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island of the Odisha coast. The LRLACM is an indigenously developed missile with its subsystems designed and developed by various DRDO laboratories and Indian industry partners. NBCC India Limited has secured new work orders worth approximately 20.92 crore rupees in the ordinary course of business, according to a regulatory filing submitted to the stock exchanges on Tuesday. The company said the orders comprise 2 project management consultancy assignments awarded by domestic entities. MMTC Limited has submitted its mandatory statement on impact of audit qualifications to the stock exchanges for the financial year ended March 31, 2026. The filings reveal a qualified opinion from the company's statutory auditors regarding a shortfall in financial provisions for a long-running legal dispute with Anglo Coal.